Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the Learning Curve. Welcome back, my little kitties. Today, we will be learning more numbers. Now, I am sure you are wondering what I mean. We will be counting from 1 to 100. It's not hard. I'll do it with you. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, my smart ones. We have just finished counting from 1 to 50. Now, let's turn on our brain power to count from 50 to 100. Let's begin. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Hello, kitties. How would you like to be a part of the Hello Kitties family? Here's what you'll need to do. You'll have to get permission from your parents to join, and their email is used for you to sign up. We are building a learning army of kitties all over the world. Join our family today. Remember, you can only do this with your parents. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people what we have learned today. I want you to go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.